Hi everybody, it's been a minute and you've missed some stuff. For instance, we're driving Beatrice right now and Chaser finds it quite comfortable. He doesn't even really want to get out, no ramp needed. He just jumps on in and out, but well, we got some work to do. We're almost finished actually, and I figured we should fill you in on what's going on. So let's go inside. Okay, so we have been working away on project. You know what? We originally named this SEMA Xena because we had big hopes and dreams of going to SEMA, and then we could kind of see from a mile away that wasn't going to happen. So we stopped working so hard on the things we were going to get to, which was, as you know, Candace did the LS3 swap. And our next plan was differentials. And the internet said, that Dana 44 will not last a week. Well, let me tell you, internet, it lasted months. Months. How many months?
Like 5 months.
5 months. 5 months, that's a long time.
Maybe 6, half a year, people.
Right, 20,000 kilometers. So, that's not bad. But check this out. Check this out. You know what? Let's just roll a B-roll sequence of these gears. All right, so yeah, that happened. So as you can see, we got an axle back in here. Candace is just, we're getting close. Bump stops she's working on. The lowers anyway. I've noticed that the upper is completely rotten away and gone.
You didn't even need that.
More flex. More flex.
Quit judging. Get the camera off.
We'll pick some of those up, but yeah, so here she is. It's another Dana 44 out of a JK. Again, it was the great price from a buddy. So thanks, Brad. And with the border closed and not being able to just drive down, pick up an axle, or how we would prefer to do it, drive down to one of the major axle manufacturers and throw it into their parking lot, because we know they love that, and then just drive home on wontons.
Yes, that was the ideal plan.
Right? It makes for good content.
It would have been a great trip, and I would have got some water.
Could have went wheeling, because as you know, Candace uses 4-low. Oh, yes. Merci, because we're Canadian. So we got some new Bilsteins in. The old ones were permanently attached to the axle, as you've seen over there. They live there now. So if anybody wants 2 free Bilsteins, they come with a low mile Dana 44, let's call it. Just the housing.
Lightly used.
Because we're keeping the gears and we're gonna hang them on the wall.
I'm proud of myself.
Right? Kaboom.
When I break things, I do it so well.
So that's pretty much it. We're down to the bump stops, the wheels, and the drive shaft from Western Driveline, which they rebalanced. And
yeah, shout out to Western Driveline, by the way. They are absolutely amazing. They are so helpful. Not only that, shout out to the coffee that they sell.
that is true, the Black Rifle coffee.
Oh,
good
so
stuff.
good.
But the Western Driveline drive shaft, well, it had a pretty gnarly ride when the diff exploded at 100 on the highway. So Western rebalanced it and made sure it was still all good to send, because that's a lot of power to send down. So looking good, looking good. I love how the shopping local, we dropped that off, we got it back like the next day? Was it 2 days or 1 day? 2 days later. So if I had of, like, we all know that Big Loki back here has got a major brand drive shaft, and I do love it. It is awesome, but think of how long it would have taken to ship to America land right now, and then have them work on it, and then send it back to Canada land. I mean, I mean, they look close on this wall, but we're kind of far away, and shipping is chaos still. It's chaos. So anyways, I'm happy that we shop local, and well, we do want to go down to America Land sometime late November.
Dynamite, man. I absolutely love it.
So we're in no rush, but we do want to drive down and either pick up the axles or install them down there. We have a few friends down there, and it'd be cool to, you know, take over somebody's driveway or parking lot and do an install, because that's fun. So anyways, we're gonna get to work. I'm not working at all. I'm watching her work, which is...
It's the easy parts now.
Right?
Yeah, because when you're trying... Oh, we're gonna put the wheels back on, and then it will be your turn to take off.
Oh yeah,
nut.
the pinion nut.
Yeah, so I'll do this stuff and throw the tires back on, and then batter up.
All right, time to get to work. All right, guys, we got the new Dana 44 installed. I think we got everything tied up together, drive shafts backed in, fluids are topped up. It's time for the first cold start in quite some time. It's been like a week. Internet said 30 minutes in, 30 minutes out. I'm looking at you, Internet. Anyways, cold start. Let's get this thing on the road.